by the software. First is system software, and second part is the application software. Right? What is system software? It is very important software which is needed to run the particular hardware part. It means when you purchase any laptop, computer or desktop, you need one important software that is known as a system software. It gives us a platform to run any application software on that, right? Application software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, okay, Open Office, okay, MS Access. These are the application software. And from when you have a system software, you can run run the application software properly, because system software give us a platform to run the application software. Without system software, we cannot run any kind of application software. Like if you wish to run Photoshop or CorelDRAW, these many software you wish to run, then you need a one is important software that is known as a system software. Like operating system is known as a system software. I hope you understand this, right? Children, can you tell me any kind of Windows operating system name?
So Windows 7.
Windows 10.
So Windows
Okay.
7, Windows 10.
So
Windows
Windows
7.
11.
Very good.
Windows
11.
Very good.
So
Can you,
Windows,
apart from
Windows
Windows children, can you have any idea about operating system?
Sir, Android.
Android is a kind of operating system. Very good.
iOS.
iOS, it means Macintosh operating system. Mac is run by the Apple, right? And apart from Mac, have you heard the name of Linux or Unix?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Linux and Unix is a very important and very important system software, children. It is totally command-based operating system. Okay, everything is dependent on the command. Okay, we can say it is a CUI, character user interface operating system. Okay, let me discuss. These are the classification of the software, my dear children. First is software. There are two kinds: system software and application software. We have to talk about the first, system software, right? System software, it means first is they are having a four kinds. It having a four kinds: operating system, language processor, and device drivers and utility. And when we go for application software, it having a three kinds: general purpose application software, specific purpose application software, and customized application software. Okay, first we discuss about the one important type, that is a system software. System software having a four kinds: operating system, language processor, device drivers, and utility. Okay, we will discuss one by one. First, we are going to discuss about the system software. What do you mean by the system software? It is a collection of one or more programs which are designed to control the overall operation, and performance of computer system. Okay, it depends. Like I told you, operating system is a one important system software. Without operating system, you cannot run any kind of software, right? See it. This is a symbol of Linux. Okay, this is a symbol of Windows operating system. I hope you know about that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, first come to system software. Our system software acts as an interface between the user and the computer. I told you, computer does not know anything about the our instructions, right? Which computer know only the one language, that is a 0 and 1. We need one mediator between user and computer, that is the operating system. Operating system is a system which is used like an interface between user and computer. What you want to give, what you want to accept from the computer, what you want to take out the result from the computer, you can do whole operation by the system software, right? System software, some to output. Whatever you give in as an input, it will give you output after the processing, right? That processing is also done by the system software. And third important thing, to check the working order of all the peripheral devices, like which device have to work first. Okay, suppose you wish to write keyboard, you wish to write mouse, you wish to copy any file one place to another place. Okay, then that kind of operation is also done by the system software. Converting data and instruction into binary form, that can be easily be understood by the computer. It means, I told you, computer does not know any language. Computer understand only 0 and 1. Okay, and 0 and 1, it is done by the which thing, that is operating system. Okay, computer and user both are connected through the one important software, that is operating system. Now see, dear children, generally system software is installed by the manufacturer. I hope when you
I have
purchase the
question.
laptop, yes.
Sir, computer know only 0 or 1 language, no know any language. So how do we type anything in computer? It's know that we are type this.
Can you repeat your question, Bacha? Your voice is cracking a little bit.
Sir, computer only know 0 or 1 language, no know any language.
Yes.
So how do we know when we type anything in the computer?
One thing is type. I already discussed you here. You can see in your screen, that is a language processor. Have you seen it? The types of software: language processor. Language processor is done by the operating system, right? And the when whatever you write in the system, whatever you given any instruction of the system, operating system is one mediator who is converting your language to computer language and computer language to human language, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear to you.
Yes.
Now the children's system software having a 4 kinds. I already told you: operating system, language processor, and device driver and utility. We have to talk about one by one. See, computer being a machine cannot do anything on its own. As I told you, it needs one important device, one important software, that is the operating system. It requires a specific instruction on how to perform each and every task, future, and the instruction are to be converted in the language which is machine understand. I hope you understand machine. Every time I'm telling you, computer understand only 0 and 1. That is a machine language. Okay, and one important software is needed to convert human language to machine and machine language to human language. That is only one software, that is a operating system, right? It means that the user cannot communicate with the computer directly. Thus, we require one interface between user and computer, right? Right, and that requirement is fulfilled by the one important software that is known as the operating system. Operating system, children, some features. Operating system having a 2 kind. First is GUI operating system. Second will be a CUI operating system. GUI, it means graphical user interface operating system, and second is CUI, character user interface operating system, right? These are the 2 kinds which we have to know about this in this chapter. First, we have to talk about the first important type, that is a GUI, graphical user interface. I hope you have seen Windows operating system. It depends on the graphics, pictures, icons, movies, some instruction which you write, right? And images. You can see everything in the graphical mode, right? It is done in the graphically interface. So the Windows operating system, it means Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 12, all the operating system is based on the GUI. So it is easy to understand, easy to learn which thing it is, right? This operating system is a graphically based and interactive in nature. You can use several devices like mouse, keyboard, scanner, printer, okay, webcam you can use, right? And you can take a picture, you can use the icons, like which is okay, can you tell me, have you seen recycle bin, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the use of recycle bin?
So when we delete
Sir,
anything,
collect the
the
detail,
thing is
delete.
collect all data
Very
which
good,
we are.
be moved in the recycle bin. Otherwise, when you press shift delete button, your file will not move in the recycle bin. It means permanent delete. Got it?
So how is
Now the children come to the second type, that is a CUI, it means character user interface. This type of operating system requires you to type the commands in order interact with the system. Okay, if you wish to make one file, folder, uh, if you wish to copy some data one place to another place, if you want to delete, if you want to modify, or if you want to edit any data, you need to write a command, right? If without command you cannot do any kind of editing or any kind of give instruction, you cannot give any instruction without in the CUI, right? So CUI operating system, can anyone guess which kind of operating the name of the operating system which is based on CUI? These are the examples. This is the example: Unix operating system, Linux operating system, and DOS operating system. This is example of CUI, character user interface. Now the children, some function we have to discuss today, operating system functions. Okay, first function is a processor management. Okay, whatever you write, whatever you doing in giving input and taking output, okay, in between input and output, one thing will happen, that is a process, and all the process management, which process will priority, which process second priority, okay, then it will done by the operating system, right? Suppose that you wish to copy your file from one place to another place. At the same time, you wish to write anything in the Word file. At the same time, you want to download one software from the internet. All the three process will move simultaneously. And which process system, which process give the priority? That priority is decided by the operating system, and that is done by the process management. Okay, you can manage your process from the task manager as well. I hope you know the task manager. Do you have any idea about task manager, children? Have you seen the task
Yes,
manager
sir.
in your operating system? If you don't, if you didn't, I will tell you. See, when you right click in the task bar, you can see the task manager.
yes, sir.
Task manager is over there, right? In the task manager, children, you can see all the tasks which is run in your system. Okay, which task you wish to give the priority, you just right click and see. If you want to end your task, you can end it. And if you wish to give the priority, you can give the priority or as well, right?
Sir,
Memory, you can see, check your memory, disk, network, which thing it is done, you can see. Okay, if you wish to end your process, you can do the end your task, right?
sir,
Got it or not?
in Android task, we say task manager
Some
is
apps,
multitasking.
my dear child, some apps are available for that. Got it? Some apps are available. Okay. is the topic which we have discussed, which we discussed today. And the thing is that categories of software, functions of software. Okay. And now the next class we will learn, apart from this, discuss with the other softwares like language processor, we have to discuss utility software, drivers, we have to discuss. And apart from this, we have to discuss the application based software types. When we meet next time, we will discuss these many things in the next time. Okay, the time is up, my dear children. Please, please learn. If you have any query, all the icons are here. It is visible. All the icons. This is my computer. It depends on the icons and pictures. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. All icons
Okay.
visual.
All the icons and pictures are visible in the graphical user interface operating system. It means Windows operating system, right? Every icon, every picture you can see in the Windows operating system or GUI operating system, graphical user interface operating. It means you can work both things. Character wise, it means you can type anything, you can do anything, right? Or you can use the icons, you can use your pictures to do anything. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it.
So means
Anyone wish to ask? Yes, Srilakha, compiler and interpreter, and these
Yes, sir.
three things is it is a translator, you can say, in the simple language, right? And mode, right? I hope it is visible to all, right? This is a command mode, my child. Okay, if you wish to write if you wish to do anything, you need to write command. Okay, got it or not?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay, dear children, the time is up. Okay, I will share you. This is a one important homework you need to read language processor and utility driver, right? And I will ask you in the next meeting. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.